All right, guys, Oracer sent us the mug warmer to keep coffee hot to the last drop, and I'm going to show you exactly why you need to pick one of these up. So this thing is super sweet. Keeps warm all day long, and it will double as a candle warmer. So let's go ahead and get it open here so we can show you how it works, make it happen. You're going to tap the switch, put on the mug, and let it set. That is that easy. So right here in the unit, you have the user manual. Bam. So it tells you how to use it. Let's go ahead and see what type of temperatures we will see here. So it keeps coffee warm, tells you exactly how to use it right there without any problems. It has an auto shutout and warming range is between 130 and 140 degrees. So let's go ahead and open this guy all the way up here. So for your purchase, you can activate your warranty, and then also tells you exactly what to do. You plug it in, tap the switch, and bada boom, bada bang, it will be warm. Now I'm hoping I can actually plug this in for you guys somewhere close. I don't know if I got something close enough, but we're going to see if she works, which I do believe she does, because that's why we got one. I want to just show you how it works, really. So let's go ahead and untwill the cord here. Do have a little piece on it, and let's see. Ha! We got it. So we're going to pop this down here. Give me 1 second. Get on plugged in. And just like that, we got the unit right here, all plugged in. So just like so, all you're going to do is you're going to press here, and you got a red light that's going to pop on, and you are going to be warming. You can set your cup on there without any problems, and it will keep it nice and warm. It go ahead and warm up, and you can feel it warms up pretty quickly, which makes it nice. That's why Oracer has an awesome product to keep your coffee hot to the last drop, or it will double up as a candle warmer, because we all need to warm those candles, especially in the proper season, making it happen. Check out candle warmer and coffee cup warmer.